Discord has dropped a new quest called Valorant Sage's New Map Quest. You can find it easily in your quest page. Let's get started. In this quest, you need to find 8 blue glowing mascots and 3 cubes. We'll start by going counterclockwise. Just click the red button on the desk next to you, and a blue mascot will pop up from the plant. Now just look right up for the second mascot. It's above the digital photo frame screen. Now you will see a lot of crystal orbs. Just at the top left too that there's third mascot. These crystal orbs actually reveal a code. Just click the buttons on the machine in the exact same pattern they light up. Congrats, you found a cube. You need to find 2 more of these. Keep the key card. You will require this to unlock the second cube. Now place the 3 cubes on the scanner, or whatever. It will reveal a code. The code is 572. You need to type this in the PC. There we have it. You've solved the puzzle. If you like this video, a like and subscribe would be appreciated.